Good day folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the balance of your Walmart gift card. This process works in both Canada and the US and it's a really simple process. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like Walmart provides any way of actually going in and checking your balance through their website or online in any way. So the only way to actually do it is to call the Walmart gift card number and enter in your card information. So to access it, what you do is call 1-888-537-5503. On the back of your card there is a 16-digit card number as well as a PIN number, as you can see here by the image of the card. So go ahead and scratch off the gray on the back, I don't know what to call that, and you'll see your 16-digit card number as well as the PIN. Once you enter in that information, you'll get your card balance. As well, if you've purchased a digital card in Canada, you would actually have to email or call a different number. The physical cards in Canada is still the same. You would still call that same number, the 888-537-5503. However, if you purchase digital cards, you have to actually contact this alternate company, I guess, that handles the digital cards. So the email address for them is buyatab.com or call 1-833-429-9451. So in the States, go ahead and call the 888-537 number and enter in your 16-digit card number and your PIN. And in Canada, for the digital cards, email the Walmart Canada at buyatab.com or call the 1-833-429 number. So if you have any questions or if you know any way of actually checking your balance online without having to call these numbers, go ahead and comment below and let me know, and I really appreciate it. If you have anything else, just comment below. Have a great day. Thank you for watching my video, I really appreciate it. If you can take a minute to subscribe to this channel, it would help me a lot. I'm actually working full-time throughout the day, and at night I work at Walmart. And every subscriber to this channel is one step closer to being able to quit Walmart and spend more time with my family. So if you can take a second, hit the subscribe button below, I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in other videos. Have a great day.
Just want to make a quick mention that the music in the background is actually metal covers by Leo at Frog Leap Studios. He's an amazing artist on YouTube. He has over 3 million subscribers as of today's date, and it's just awesome. I can't get enough of him. I listen to him every single day, and he's just simply amazing. Go check him out, Frog Leap Studios, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.